to do that on our paper. See, they have this. Theirs looks like that. But we made worksheets so we can work on it. So, okay. So, we kind of heard in that book that the area of something, I need everyone to sit down still. What's the area of something? Somebody raise their hand and tell me. Alexis? How many what? Is in the space, right. And then what's the perimeter of something? The area, good. Or no, not the area. I'm sorry.
The space?
The space, no. We learned about it yesterday. Remember, Mariana, what's the perimeter?
The outside.
The outside. So what do you mean by the outside?
Like the outside of something.
Like the outside of something. Send your pockets.
Like
the outside of something. Right. So if we wanted to measure the outside of something, how would we do it like we did yesterday? Pockets, please.
You would measure it.
You'd measure it? What do you mean you'd measure it? Pockets. You measure it with what? What did we measure it with yesterday? A tape measure, right? Yesterday we used tape measure, or we could use a ruler. So, I want everybody to look at this shape right here. Okay, sit down in your pocket. See? We're going to pretend like this are all the tables that they push together, okay? No, you just sit in your pockets. Okay, we're going to pretend like these are all the tables. And to cover up these tables, you guys are going to be partners, and you'll each have one of these, and you're going to have these, and you're going to put a table over each of the empty spots, okay? You see how I did that? You see that? You're going to put a table over each of those. It's not candy. They're just the...
I wish they were candy.
Okay. I need everybody to pay attention. Ryan, pay attention. Okay. Oh, I know. Candy does make you hungry. And that book probably made you hungry too, didn't it?
Spaghetti.
But lunch is in 25 minutes. Okay, so not that much longer. We just got to get through math. Pay attention. Okay, so don't touch each other. Okay, so if it has a spot for here for you to write the area and then the perimeter. I want everybody to look because you guys are going to do this on your own in 1 second. You are going to do it with partners, but you guys have to know. Yes, Alexis? Okay, Melissa, you're not supposed to sit by Kamari. I need you to scoot right there.
I wasn't here.
Wait, Kamari, actually, you were here. And I told you to sit behind Jimenez, so please just scoot back, girls.
Melissa's going to come to school back.
Melissa, I need you to scoot up. There we go. That should be fine. Okay? Pay attention. So if I asked you to find the area, Jacques, pockets facing me, please. Okay, I think we're going to go back to our desks for this. Okay? So I'm going to call you by table. Sit, sit, sit. Table 2, you can go first. Remember, don't hit the middle table on your way back.
Do not hit the middle.
Table 1 can go back.
Yours? No, Belen doesn't have a spot. Oh.
It's okay. Well, it's fine. Yeah, I should start there. Table 4 can go back. Kamari, sit down, please. And then table 5 can go back.
No, that's a little hair clip. That's Angie's table.
Alexis, go sit in your chair. You know where it's at. The hair clip?
Belen. There's a hair clip.
There's a hair clip? Oh, well, we'll find a hair clip later. It's okay. Ryan, let's see. Where were you? Ryan, you can sit right here. Well, you need a partner, though. Oh, okay. Okay, so I need everyone to pay attention. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Melissa, that includes you. Thank you. Okay, so I want everybody to look up here. Kamari. Melissa, I need everybody to look up here. Thank you. So you're going to have this, and you're going to fill it with the cubes that I give you. Now, if I ask you to find the perimeter of this square, each cube equals 1 inch, okay? So you don't need a ruler. So you know that 1 cube is 1 inch. If I ask you to find the perimeter, which we did yesterday, who knows how you're going to find it? Let's see, Alexis, how would you do it?
You would put the square in it, and then will you measure?
You're not going to have to measure. How many, you just have to write how many cubes are around the perimeter.
Oh.
So how many cubes are around, how would you figure that out? Would you count all the cubes?
No.
How many cubes, what cubes would you count?
The ones that's on the outside.
Right, the ones that are on the outside. So where it says perimeter, you're going to write the cubes that are going to count how many cubes are on the outside, the distance around the shape, okay? And all the shapes are different sizes. Does everybody see?
Whoa.
Okay? And then what would you do? Raise your hand and tell me, don't say it out loud, what would you do if I asked you to find the area of the whole shape? What would you count, Mariana?
The middle of it.
Just the middle of it?
The one that's in the middle.
Just the one in the middle? The area.
All of it.
The area. So what squares would I count?
Like the middle one.
Just the middle one, Mariana, you think? Why do you think just the middle one?
Does the other one?
Who's it? You would count all of them? Why would you count all of them? It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry about being wrong. Why would you count all of them? Do you know what the definition of the area is? What's the definition? What does the area mean?
Like.
Kamari. The area means the whole, you have to measure the whole inside of inside space. So it does mean whole. So you're right. You're going to count all of your squares that are inside, okay? You're right. Okay. So, does anybody have a question? We're going to do the first one together, okay? I'm just going to hand them out first. Yes, Alexis?
What if there's on the back of the thing?
Mm-hmm.
What,
You don't know?
it's just
Okay, I'm going to put you guys into partners. Okay, so I'm going to tell you who your partner is going to be. So, for this group, it's going to be, let's see, Melissa and Alonzo, and Kamari and Belen. This group is going to be Felix and Jaquez, and then you three girls can be together, okay? And then this group is going to be Mariana and Mariana. And then, can you three boys work together? I think you three boys can be here. And then in this group, we have, let's see, Litzy and Brian and Alexis and Evis, okay? That's Alexis and Evis, you guys will be partners. And Litzy and Brian, okay? So it makes it a little bit easier since we already have, you guys know who your partners are, so you have to pick. Now remember, well, we're going to do the first one together. So, let's see, who is the teacher's helper? Whose job is that? Jaquez, can you hand out blocks to everybody? And then who's our paper pass rounder? Mariana, can you pass out? Each group only needs one of these, okay?
Wait, how many?
Just give them a big handful. Yeah.
This much.
Okay? You each want one. You just get one as a group, okay? Make sense?
You drop them on the floor. Oh, you have it? Yeah.
Felix, you going to help Jaquez? You're going to need one next. Like a big handful. There you go. There you have some Jaquez. Huh? Okay, well, they need one there. Oh, and then give the group at the back.
Give them to Stephanie.
You here, I'll go get them. Give them two. Okay, we're not throwing the blocks.